Thank you very much for the invitation to speak to you today, and I'm sorry it's going to be very brief because I literally have to run back into Parliament. But myself and my colleague, Senator Jordan Steele-John, met with a delegation from you earlier today, and we expressed our very real concern about what's happening to the Sikh community in India. We know that you feel visible and targeted. We've seen the repeated use, weaponizing of the internet against the Sikh community and the most recent shutdown in Punjab. We've seen the ongoing efforts to censorship the stories that are being told about the violence against the Sikh community. And we share your very real concerns. And I want you to know that you're not alone in the struggle for basic human rights. And for people to speak out against arbitrary detentions and arbitrary arrests and the weaponizing of the internet, which has become a part of the usual business of the Indian government in the last few years, whether it's against Punjab or Kashmir. We've seen it repeatedly being used so that people can't tell the stories and the truth about what's happening on the ground. So I want you to know that you're not alone, that you have voices across the world that are concerned and willing to stand up for fundamental human rights, for the right not to be victimised because of your religion or your community, and the right to be able to freely express your faith and freely express your identity without a government arresting your leaders, arresting activists, and you weaponising both the internet and media against you. We will continue to ask for our government to raise these concerns, to not sweep them under the carpet simply because they want a trade or security deal with India, but to continue to raise fundamental human rights concerns, and particularly as they regard the Sikh community. So thanks very much.